handlebar adjuster for the Peloton bike regular and the Peloton bike plus. So you can take it out of the box. You have 4 screws, you have a hex wrench, and here you have instruction manual. You have 4 stickers, USB cord, data cord, and a Velcro, and a QR code as well. We also included a 732 Allen wrench to secure the adjuster on the base of the Peloton. This adjuster works for the original Peloton bike as well as the Peloton Plus. This video is for the Peloton Plus. So, just a few quirks that you should know about. Given that some of the holes here are for the original Peloton bike, if you have a Plus, you can just go ahead and cover them because you won't be using them. So these are the 2 bottom holes in the front and then the bottom hole over here. This 4th screw, that's also for the original Peloton bike. You're not going to need it for the Peloton Plus. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the screen from the Peloton and the handlebar as well. You're going to unplug your Peloton bike, and then you want to unplug the data cord, the USB cable from down here, as such. And then you're going to unscrew the original screws from the Peloton. So there are 3 screws you want to remove: right, left, and front. Now you're going to need to ask a friend for help. Maybe this is a little heavy and you want to pick it up like this. You're not going to be needing this cable. You're going to be using the one that we provide you with, so you can just go ahead and roll it up and tuck it inside. Now you're going to insert the screws that came with your Peloton, the ones that you just removed, and make sure you're not cross-threading them, and just hand tighten them slowly. And do not tighten all the way until all of them are put in. Now you're going to tighten the front one first, and then the side ones. You can use this side if you want more leverage. Next, you're going to place the handlebar on top of the adjuster, and you're going to do the same thing we just did. You're going to hand tighten them, starting from the front one. Make sure you don't cross thread, and then you do the side ones, and then you're going to tighten. You might want to fiddle around it with it until you get the holes to align, and then you can hand tighten it. Maybe ask a friend to help lift it. There we go. And once it goes in, you have all 3 in, you start tightening from the back and then the sides. If the handlebar wiggles like this, then it means that you need to adjust it stronger, either the bottom 3 or the top 3 screws. In this case, it would be the bottom 3 screws. If the adjuster is still wiggling, that means that the 2 screws that connect the adjuster to the metal base that was provided is still loose. So you need to take the Allen key and tighten those 2 screws. For the last step, you're going to unplug the bottom, which is the data cord, and you're going to plug in the provided data cord, and then you plug it into the bottom like this, and then you use the provided Velcro strap just to make it nice and snug. If you need this to go further out or you need it closer to you, you can take out these 2 screws, and if you need it further out, you put them here, and if you need them closer to you, you can put them right here.